In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can generate a random number in Microsoft Excel. For this, you just use a function which is called random between. So let's try it. Here we are going to insert equal, then write random, which is rand between. This function is called rand between. Select this rand between function, double click, and bottom line. What will be your bottom line? Suppose we want to generate some number from 10 to 100. So we are giving the bottom number is 10, and then put a comma, and our top number will be 100, and we are going to generate some random value between those number. So closing the bracket, then enter. Now you can see 17 is the between of 10 to 100, and if you drag it to the last or something like that, you will see generated a random number here. Every time you will see a random number is generated, which is the difference between one to another. This is how you can easily generate some random number in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.